Hey everybody, what's going on? Froggy Stonks here. Nothing I say is financial advice, entertainment purposes only. I know there's a lot going on tonight. There's a lot going on that happened today. There's a lot going on tomorrow. There's a lot going on Monday. I'll tell you just a couple things before I call it an evening. Went and seen Dragon Ball Superhero tonight. Loved it. Absolutely loved it. Theater had about 20 people in it, so I wasn't the only nerd there. The thing that just happened with Bed Bath & Beyond. People are freaking out about it. I wasn't in it. I didn't say buy it. I didn't say stuff. I stayed completely away from it. Ryan Cohen apparently sold his entire position out of Bed Bath & Beyond. But what's interesting is not even 4 days ago, Susquehanna and Citadel both went long on Bed Bath & Beyond. Here's Citadel's position. Bunch of shares long with some puts going the other way. And let me find my other tweet here. Where did she go? There it is. Susquehanna. Calls 2.4 million, puts 3.3, but then long shares 2.014. So they both went long on Bed Bath & Beyond, which is crazy. And if we look back at that on the 16th, it was sitting around $16 a share. Let's see right here. BBBY 8.15. Yeah. Around $15, $16 a share. So, you know, Cohen rug pulls. Somebody ripped here. Somebody ripped here. Cohen got out here. Whatever he did, I don't know. I'm not going to speculate. But he sold his shares. Now it's sitting around $10 a share. So if Susquehanna and Citadel didn't get out, they got completely creamed on this. So there's one thing with that. Two, they're trying to make it bleed over into what Adam Aaron is doing. They're trying to say, there's already fake tweets going on around. They're trying to say, Ryan Cohen rug pulled you guys. He screwed the apes, blah, blah, blah. Adam Aaron is not Ryan Cohen. Ryan Cohen was not the CEO of Bed Bath & Beyond. Adam Aaron is the CEO of AMC Theaters. And in that, he has been fulfilling our wishes and our ideas for the past 16 months. The APE dividend idea, not that we had the idea for the preferred shares, but the dividend, the one-to-one dividend that we wanted, non-cash, was an idea that came from the apes, came from the space calls. Terrible 808, me, a couple other people. The STO idea with Cohotus. It was all apes, and it was all people who were invested in the stock that came up with this idea, and we're getting it tomorrow. We're getting it tomorrow. Tomorrow's the last day you can buy shares AMC to get the dividend. You got to buy before 4 p.m. on the 19th before market close. And suddenly everybody wants to throw, panic because all this FUD comes out on the airways. I literally just went to the movies. I don't care. I'm not selling. Calm, cool, collected. I'm going to get my APE dividend, and then I'm going to hold my APE for 7 days because brokers are going to delay issuing the dividend on certain platforms, and I want everybody to get it before I get rid of mine so my shares don't go into the open market and screw up everybody else's position. It's that simple. But why people want to panic and people are fearful and, I just don't know what's going to happen tomorrow. I just don't know. Nobody knows. Freaking meteor could hit the earth tomorrow. This is the game. This is the market. This is the casino. It doesn't matter how sure you are about a bet. You are gambling. Me, I'm very confident in this. I'm very confident in AMC. I'm very confident in APE. I'm very confident in the play. I'm confident Adam Aaron is going to do this good. I'm very confident with the 8K that they came out with today. If you didn't read the AMC 8K they came out with today, it explains everything step by step with bullets 1 through like 30. And it's like a Q&A. People's questions were answered. So in most of the FUD, they're saying, well, Adam Aaron can issue another 470 million shares into the open market at any time on Monday going forward. That is true. He can. But directly in the 8K, it says AMC Theaters has no plans to do this in 2022 or 2023. But imagine this. APE runs to $100. Boom. Adam Aaron comes out and says, hey, I'm putting 50 to 100 million shares out there so we can pay off $1 billion or $2 billion in debt, whatever, right? If the price gets high enough and Adam Aaron has a chance to pay off AMC's debt, there's nobody that can stop him from doing it. He might honor our wishes, or he might go, this is a golden opportunity to get AMC debt free, which we all want. And in that, if it is debt free with minimal dilution, that increases the underlying fundamental value of the company, and it won't hurt the stock price that much. If anything, paying off every dollar of debt with 100 million, he issues another 100 million APE, and he pays off all the debt with that in some crazy way. And it's just the price goes up insanely amount in $100 million, $100 a share, 100 million shares, whatever. And all the debt's paid off. The shorts are screwed. The shorts are absolutely busted at that point, because now you're shorting a company with no debt, with returning revenues, and a bank full of preferred shares they can sell into the market to raise cash at any time. So there's not really any negative catalyst for us going forward in this. Everybody says Adam Aaron's going to dump all 475 million shares out. No, he's definitely not going to do that. First it was, oh, he's going to dump the 4.5 billion out. No, he's not going to dump 475 million on the market the day of. That would be just the stupidest, most insane, dumbest thing you could ever think of or do. When you have something of value, you have value of it because there's a high demand for it because of the rarity. If you just start handing it out for cheap prices, the demand goes away. Adam Aaron knows this. He's not a simpleton. So in that, we have the APE dividend hitting tomorrow, last day to buy. Demand's going to be super high. Demand's already extremely high for the shorts. We know this. DRS will get their shares first. Then Computershare will issue shares to the DTC so they can issue it out to different brokers and entities that hold APE. But also in that, Adam Aaron's tweets are very, very, they're not even cryptic. They're very, very blunt. He specifically said, and let me find the tweet for you. For our new APE units, I want you to know what, why, how, and when. This is the 8K they filed. So we just put on our website the answers to 26 frequently asked questions. This APE dividend only to those owning company issued common shares. APE make AMC infinitely stronger. Only capitalized. You guys, it's almost like they already know who owns legal shares of AMC. He said they did 6 share counts. They contacted the NYSE about failure to delivers. He's using capitalized words like only with those owning company issued common shares. This is the 3rd time he said that. It's like they know who has synthetics and who doesn't. How? I'm not sure. But if they did 6 share counts and they got 6 different answers 6 different times that still came to the right number of shares, but in a different way, then there's a problem. And it has something to do with Computershare. I guarantee you has something to do with Computershare. We DRS'd a crap ton of shares from May till today for people who trusted me and listened and followed me. We DRS'd a lot of shares, all individually as retail investors into Computershare. So with everything else going on, you guys, all this other FUD, there's a billion people saying a billion things. We know the plan. You've been following the plan for some 16 months, some 13 months, some 6 months, but you know the plan. It's being executed. This is a perfect project manager flow. It's like I used to be a project lead for aviation stuff. Everything is flowing in a specific order, almost to a certain methodology coming from AMC. Adam Aaron got people back to the movies. We helped. We helped. We gave them all the money and all of us go to the movies. Get the revenues returning to the movies. Work with the studios to get more movies out. New marketing and merchandise sales so people can buy stuff when they come to AMC or online. AMC on demand. Catalysts popping off. Future catalysts. Popcorn credit cards. And everything has been very meticulously laid out. Then he comes out, Q2, warned everybody in the world they were going to pounce after Q2, right? And then announced it before Q2. Say, we're going to pounce after Q2, and then announced it a day before Q2, right? So we come into Q2, we had a great earnings call, APE dividends coming out. All of a sudden, every MSM person that favors the shorts, Kramer, Gasparino, all the clowns at Fox News except for Charles Payne, and a bunch of other people on Twitter are in full panic mode. And they're spreading everything they can. They're tweeting 30 times a day. They're spreading FUD. Blah, 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 blah. Oh no, Ryan Cohen sold this. Blah. They're trying to scare the shit out of all you guys. This is what we've prepared for 16 months. Calm, cool, collected. Fidelity said my money was supposed to roll over from my BBIG gains. And tomorrow, if it's in my account at 7 p.m., I'm going to check pre-market. If we're still sitting at these prices, I'm dropping a fat stack on AMC to get as much APE as I possibly can. And I'm not going to lie, my strategy is this. I'm going to hold my APE for at least 7 days because I believe that is the way. I believe holding APE for 7 days will keep my shares from entering the market to be rehypothecated into other accounts to meet dividend requirements. So if I sell my shares into the open market on the 22nd and somebody in Canada hasn't got their shares to the 26th, then how do we pin the shorts to the ground saying, oh, there's synthetics out there? Everybody's got to hold their shares. It's the only answer. And in that, say this, 22nd pops, I get all my dividends. On the 19th, I get all my dividend. The 22nd, it's trading on the open market. If AMC runs super hard after that, I'm talking AMC runs like 100, 200 bucks, I will sell the portion of the AMC that I bought to get the more of the dividend, or at least let's say 25% of it. So I'm going to pull some cash out if it runs. I make a little bit of profit on that, but I still have a massive AMC and I still have a completely full stack of APE. So I've reduced my risk a little bit. That's my game plan. And people can be mad at me for that. But if I'm dropping 15 grand tomorrow and an AMC runs on Monday to some significant level to where I can do my cost basis to where it didn't cost me anything to buy that, I'm going to take it. But I will not sell my APE. I think not selling APE is as important as anything can be because we know there is only a set value of APE out in the market. AMC is most likely being synthetically shorted, which means the more I buy, I may actually be diluting the market float of AMC, causing the price to go down. So in that, APE, super important. I will still hold a ton of AMC for the squeeze potential. I'm going to limit my risk, but I'm going to stay calm, cool, collected. I'm not going to mess around with these fudsters online because I don't care. And I will tell you right now, the number one worst mistake I've made on any trade where I've lost money is I second guess myself. Every time I second guess myself, I lose money. And that's what they want you to do. That's why they make the chart go all wonky like this. This is completely illogical. APEs are not selling. How do we go from this price range with stable sideways accumulation immediately down to SSR? SSR was triggered, and then they shot us down even further. It's completely illogical. And therefore, in being illogical, you have to stop and think about what's going on. 1, corruption. 2, there's some unknown variable going on out there that we just don't know about yet. It's either the shorts are shorting the piss out of this thing, or institutions are unloading, which is really, really strange to me. I don't know. So there's things going on, but we know the game plan. The game plan's been set. Everybody's been super excited about it, so there's no reason to panic. If anything, this is an opportunity for people who are, oh my God, it's to 27. I wish I had more. Here you go. Here's your opportunity. And if you guys remember the video I put out like last week, the final dip buy, I told you some insane dip buy opportunity was coming. Way lower than I ever expected. Obviously, this was my dip buy box, which I did buy some in. Luckily, my BBIG gains flipped, and I'm going to have an opportunity to get in down here. Nobody could have predicted this. This is insane. There's nothing legal about what's happening right here, but we know the market's completely rigged. So here we are. This is where we are today, and take it day by day. Tomorrow might be a little crazy. Watch the charts, watch the news, relax, enjoy yourself, and understand that APE doesn't start trading till the 22nd. Don't stress about it all weekend. Don't run around Twitter and all the feeds going, oh my God, what's going to happen? I don't know what's going to happen. That just scares people, man. Calm, cool, collected, stable. Yes, I'm buying tomorrow. And then during the weekend, I'm going to post some funny memes and shit and tell people to stay calm and enjoy their weekend. I'm going to play Zelda. I got Skyward Sword finally. I haven't played Skyward Sword yet. So I'm going to run across the street, get a couple edibles. I'm going to sit down all weekend and play Skyward Sword and relax and calm myself. Drink some coffee Monday morning. Wake up at, I'll probably wake up at 2, honestly, Monday morning, just to see the APE ticker launch. I may be streaming all day too. But don't let these clowns scare you out of your position. Kramer posting about Bed Bath & Beyond. Even Coyotes, he was right about Cohen for the most part so far. Unless Cohen, people are theorizing he may swoop in tomorrow and buy up $50 million of AMC. Who knows? I'm not a mind reader. But what happened today was very suspicious. Dumping his entire position while Citadel and Susquehanna were long. I'm sorry for anybody who got caught in that play. When you see a stock run 200-300%, you got to think about taking profit at some point in time. BB at Bloodbath & Beyond was a play for a long time. It's been on the books for a long time. But look what they did, man. They let BBIG go. They let Bloodbath & Beyond go. They let Revlon go. Almost like they were trying to get people away from AMC to throw money at these other plays, which if you got in and out and made money, get in, get out, don't marry the play. AMC is the completely different story. They want us out of AMC. We've known for a long time they wanted us out of AMC because it has the true potential to squeeze, because it has returning revenue, it's got a lot of assets, and it's got $1.5 billion cash on hand. Cash on hand, cash is king. So anyways, guys, I'll post my trade tomorrow if I can make it. If my money, Fidelity says my money should be in my account, I'll post my trade so you all know I did it. And then I'm going to hodl. I'm going to have a good Friday. Take my dog out, walk the dog, play some video games, enjoy myself. And then Monday I'm going to be back on here hooting and hollering with you guys. And it's going to be awesome. This is the event we've been waiting for a long time. And I think it's only going to get better from here. And I highly doubt. I have a 99% idea, not idea, but 99% thought that Adam Aaron is not just going to drop 450 million APE on the open market and ruin the amount of power he has by holding that in the treasury at the availability to sell it to any desperate hedge fund that needs APE. Imagine Citadel coming to AMC going, dude, we need APE. We need it now or we're screwed. We will give you $30 a share for all the APE we need. That is solid freaking gold, man. So y'all have a phenomenal night. I'll see you tomorrow. Don't panic. If you can't handle the heat, like, Keenan Grace says, get out of the kitchen. This is the game. You're betting your money on an open market that is manipulated by every entity that runs it. So you have to be prepared mentally and physically and spiritually to lose that money you put in your account. But if you believe in your trades and you don't second guess yourself and you do the DD and you do the research, you have a higher probability of success. That's why I did good on BBIG. That's why I did good on GameStop. I'm going to win this one on AMC. My gut feeling is I'm going to make my money on AMC, and I'm not backing down on it. So you guys have a fantastic night. I will see you tomorrow. Calm, cool, collected. Froggy Stonk.